Should you buy the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16, 2022? The Asus ROG Zephyrus M16, 2022, measures 19.9 mm thick and weighs 2.0 kg, which is a slight increase from the M15's 18.9 mm and 1.9 kg. The Intel Core i9-2900H processor used in this model for 2022 features no less than 14 processor cores, including 8 efficiency cores clocked at 3.8 GHz, and 6 performance cores capable of exceeding 5.0 GHz for gaming and other high-end tasks. It has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070Ti laptop GPU, as well as a 16-inch screen with a 2560 by 1600 resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, and 165 Hz refresh rate, providing extremely crisp and vibrant graphics. Also included in the M16 is a 6-speaker stereo sound system that supports Dolby Atmos, and the display also supports Dolby Vision. Although the built-in speakers are quite loud, the mids and high frequencies sound pleasingly full. The Zephyrus M16 is well connected with HDMI and Thunderbolt 4, along with a USB-C port, as well as a DisplayPort, 2 USB-A ports, a combo audio jack, and a microSD card slot. Additionally, the M16 includes the latest Wi-Fi 6E technology, as well as an Ethernet port, if you prefer a lag-free wired connection for gaming. However, it's disappointing to find that Asus only bundled a rather grainy 720p webcam that seems out of place in such a high-end laptop. The Asus Zephyrus M16 is available with 12th generation Intel i7 and i9 processors and a variety of NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards. In addition to being quite expensive, the Asus Zephyrus M16 with Intel Core i9 processor starts at $2,149.99, approximately £1,765. It uses the i9-12900H processor and is priced at $2,149.99, around £1,750, £3,000 Australian dollars, with 16 GB of memory, 1 TB of solid-state storage, and a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070Ti laptop GPU. The Asus Zephyrus M16 isn't as sleek and stylish as the Z15. Asus, however, gets the basics right, keeping the weight to just 2 kg, despite the powerful hardware and cooling system. Additionally, the tight bezels around the screen help to keep the overall size of the 16-inch M16 smaller than the 15.6-inch M15, which measures 355 mm wide, 243 mm deep, and 19.9 mm thick. It provides a variety of lighting effects for the keyboard backlight, as well as a selection of animated wallpapers, and can sync with other Asus products including gaming keyboards and mice. In addition to the usual set of function keys, the M16 includes 4 additional keys you can program using the Armory app. The Asus Zephyrus M16, 2022, is an expensive laptop, but its 14-core CPU and RTX 3070Ti laptop GPU provide excellent gaming performance. The display's 165 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time renders a crisp, clear image in Lost Ark, even if they can't do anything to make the tedious leveling up quests any more interesting. In addition, you can tailor the performance of the GPU and fans to suit specific tasks and environments via the Armory app. While the Asus Zephyrus M16 has impressive graphical performance, its battery life is rather disappointing. The Asus Zephyrus M16 lasted for just 4 hours and 12 minutes on the PC Mark 10 battery test, and even our less intensive video test didn't manage to exceed 7 hours. Although the M16 is lightweight, its power-hungry hardware allows for only a few hours of entertainment on long trips.